Hello and welcome to Material Management with Ideate Software. In this video, we will be demonstrating how Ideate Software can be used to manage Revit materials and appearance assets, which impact the display of reviews, quantity takeoffs, and structural and energy analytics. We'll begin by looking at material editing and assignment workflows, both of which are supported by Ideate BIMLink. All the BIMLink workflows that we'll be reviewing in this video correspond to the BIMLink definitions that can be found here in the 09 Materials folder. You can select one or more of these links to import into your active Revit project and then follow along with each example. The most fundamental aspect of material management is to ensure that the identity properties such as the name, keynote, class, and color are standardized. The out-of-the-box link definition called Project Standards Materials is designed to help you export this data to Excel where it can be edited and re-imported via Ideate BIMLink to make this standardization a breeze. Ensuring that the appropriate materials can be assigned to your custom families is another problem that BIMLink quickly and easily handles. You can use the links highlighted here to edit the built-in structural material properties on your custom foundation, column, and framing families. To edit other custom material parameter values, you will want to create a custom link definition. For example, you can create a new link definition for your casework types and search for your custom material parameters. Most material properties are defined on the type rather than the instance, so it's a good idea to review your types first. Here, I'm using the Casework Types link as a starting point and adding my custom material parameters before I export to Excel. In Excel, I can use the drop-down material choices or copy and paste to assign new material values as needed. When I re-import these changes, I'll be able to see the new material assignments. And don't forget, for families that use the by-category material assignment, you will also need to edit the object styles. The out-of-the-box link called Project Standard Object Styles can be found by searching for object styles, as shown here. This link lets you assign not only the material, but also line color, weight, and patterns. Another significant material management challenge relates to editing the materials within system families, such as walls. If you need to batch edit these materials, you've probably noticed there's no good way to do this within Revit. So whether it's to standardize your assigned materials or to prep for quantity takeoff or embodied carbon analysis, BIMLink has you covered. You can look for these sample link definitions to gain easy access to this layer data to manage those system families and their material assignments. You'll find all the layer links within the 09 Material Management folder within the Browse tab, and you can search on the word layer to narrow it down further. In this example, we will use the Walls Layer Link definition to review some of the data that's also displayed within the Open Material Takeoff schedule. I'll use the filter in BIMLink to isolate the use of a material called gypsum sheathing so that I can review the thickness values. I can choose to edit the thickness values here or in Excel and can specify the value as a fraction or in decimal units. Any small error in the thickness will make a big change to the takeoff schedule as shown. When using BIMLink to modify the layers, not only can you edit the thickness, but you can also assign layers to different materials by using the drop-down list. So if you need to ensure that each wall, floor, ceiling, roof, or slab type has the correct material assignments, BIMLink is the best tool to review and batch edit these values. However, if your goal is to batch merge Revit materials and appearance assets, then we'll want to use Ideate StyleManager. The merge function within StyleManager can be used to find all instances of one or more materials or appearance assets, and then merge them into a selected style. This is perfect if you're trying to get rid of non-standard materials within your project or template files, and don't need the granular control or other material editing features found within BIMLink. In this project, we can see with StyleManager that there are 6 different materials that include the word concrete. By selecting and analyzing these materials, we can learn the usage of each one, which can include compound layers, structural or other material parameter values, or even object style settings. After a review, we may decide that 3 of these materials are really the same, and can then choose to merge them into the material style that represents our standard for cast-in-place concrete. The merge function will then swap out the preferred material for the older usages, leaving the other 2 options able to be safely deleted. Material management in Revit is a complex and critical BIM manager responsibility, which is made much easier with Ideate Software and the power of BIMLink and StyleManager. For more information on Ideate Software, including online training, recorded videos, and upcoming events, please visit us online at ideatesoftware.com.